In this short tutorial, I will show you how to add Reminders widget on iPhone home screen iOS 18. The Reminders widget is a useful tool that helps you keep track of your tasks and to-do lists easily. With this widget, you can see what you need to do at a glance without opening the app every time. To get started, locate an empty space on your home screen. Tap and hold that area until the app icons start jiggling, indicating you're in edit mode. This is your cue that you can now make changes to your layout. Next, look towards the top left corner of your screen for an Edit button. Tap on this button to open up more options. Now, tap on Add Widget. You'll see a list of available widgets that you can choose from. To find the Reminders widget quickly, tap the search bar at the top of this menu. Type in Reminders, and select it from the search results that appear below. Once selected, you will be presented with 3 size options for your Reminders widget: small, medium, or large. Consider how much information you want visible at a glance when choosing your preferred size. After selecting a size that fits best with your layout and needs, simply tap on the Add Widget button located underneath that option. This will add the widget directly onto your home screen. Feel free to move your new Reminders widget anywhere on your home screen by dragging it around until it's just where you want it. Once satisfied with its position and appearance, tap on the Done button in the top right corner of your display. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.